Hi everyone, welcome back. If you couldn't tell by my intro, today I'm going to show you some nail art foil from Makartt. Okay, let's open it up. This first box here is the nail art foil glue. If this is your first time here, go ahead and hit that sub button and hit that like button if you're enjoying my content so far. One thing I noticed immediately just by picking these out of here and holding them in my hands is that these glue bottles are really big. These are 15 ml compared to 8 milliliters, which are the usual glue bottle sizes. And also this is clear in consistency and color. And some of them I believe are white. So those are 2 pluses already. All right, I'm going to show you guys this first little set here. It's like flower themed. I'm loving it. I really love this one. There is one thing though that I found a little annoying. Trying to keep these in here, it was just not working. And I tried everything I could to get these back the way they were. But yeah, that did not work. Let me know if you guys know how to do that. So the other set of foils that come in this pack, it has like a galaxy looking kind of abstract look to them. Let's look over the instructions really fast. This will be my first time ever using nail foil, so I'm definitely going to follow those instructions to the T. And I always recommend you follow instructions no matter what product you're using. So all the products I'm using will be found in the description below. So if you guys are liking the color of this polish that I'm using, it's Beetles, and I really love Beetles polish, very pigmented. I'll leave all the links for you guys down below. Okay, so I have my color on there and I cured it for 60 seconds. So next, according to the instructions, it says to cut out whatever piece you want from these designs. I'm gonna go with this nice little flower here because that's just what I gravitated towards. I love flowers. And it says put on a layer of the glue and cure for anywhere between 60 to 2 minutes, depending on the wattage, or if you have an LED light or UV light. I went ahead and cured that glue for 60 seconds. And you're gonna go ahead and press lightly down on the foil evenly, trying to get it as evenly as you can on the nail. And so feeling like I followed these instructions right, I'm gonna peel it off. And this is what I came out with. I'm not too happy with it. It also says that you can go back and reapply the foil to the places that you missed. And I did try to do that, but that didn't really work either. So I would have to say that this first attempt was a fail. Yeah. So as you see, I tried as much as I could. That just didn't really work out. All right, so my next one, I'm gonna try these abstract looking colors. And I'm gonna follow the directions again. It could have been the foil, it could have been the way I was pressing down. I don't know, but I went ahead, I followed the directions exactly. And this is how it came out. So yeah, I guess abstract, right? That's what we're going for. Well, that's what we got on that one. So the next one, I went ahead and tried something different. I cured the glue for 30 seconds instead of 60 seconds. And I put the foil on there immediately after I took it out of my lamp. Pressed it down. And you guys can see that that made a big difference. It's definitely transferred over much better than the one before. And I'm also able to add more to it. And it transferred over perfectly. So I figured out with the wattage of the lamp that I have, 30 seconds will do just nicely. So I'm gonna do another one because I got excited of how that last one came out. You guys also keep in mind what side you're laying these foils down. Make sure that your design is pointing up and the doll side is pointing down. And I cured it in the lamp for the same amount, 30 seconds, as I did the previous one. And so as you can see, it definitely came off. It transferred really well. So you do have to kind of play around depending on the lamp you have, depending on the wattage it is, and depending on the timing. For me, I figured out it was 30 seconds. And I also think that it depends on the length of your nail that you're putting the foil on and the shape of that nail as well. Because if you guys look at these 3 nails, 2 of them are the same shape and the same length, but that one that didn't get that much coverage was shorter and a bit wider. So there's a lot of different factors that come into play when you're using this nail foil. You just have to figure out what's really going to work for you. If you're not getting the results you want, it might not be the product. It might be the instructions. You have to cater to you and your product that you already have on hand. So this is the final look of all of them, you guys. I really enjoyed these nail foils. I really love the patterns that come in this set. There's so many different varieties, so many designs that you guys can do. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys own any kind. Okay, so you guys, this is me trying to put these foils up again. Let me know if you guys have a method to store these back into these little containers. If not, you know, I'll probably just throw them in a Ziploc bag. As I was saying, let me know if you guys have tried nail foil, if there's any specific brand that you guys really love, that you work with a lot. Let me know down in the comments below. Also, if you enjoyed this video, remember to leave me a like. Remember to subscribe if you're not subscribed yet to Just Doing Nails. Once again, this is Makartt's nail foil art kit with the nail foil glue, and I will see you guys on my next review.